We're going to make some creamy lemon dressing today. I think this recipe actually is kosher or okay with Mediterranean diet if you follow that. It's super easy. It was actually inspired because I made it for a roasted beet kale salad that's on, well, you can find the recipe for that on my salad playlist. But it was inspired by that dressing, and then I tasted it and it's like, oh my God, and peaches are in season. This would be so delicious. So I'm actually making this creamy lemon dressing to go with a new salad too that has peaches and strawberries in it. So if you like the sounds of that, feel free to subscribe, join my channel, and it'll be posted on the Salad Chronicles next because that is my next video to shoot. But let's start with the dressing. Okay, so you just want a small bowl, and into that you will put 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, try not to break the dishes while you're making your salad. Oh my God. Anyway, we're just going to keep going for the sake of the video and your entertainment. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we also want to add, let's get the last of that creamy dressing there. We want to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of fresh lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 more ingredients, and it's time to whip it up. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. You don't have to do poppy seeds. If you just want creamy lemon dressing, you can skip that part. I think the other recipe I used a tablespoon of fresh dill, but because this one's going to have peaches, the salad I'm making is going to have peaches and strawberries in it, I think that the poppy seeds will be awesome. And then you want a teaspoon of honey. And that's it. Just mix that up till it's nice and creamy. And you have an awesome salad dressing to go on any kind of salad, like even a strawberry spinach salad. This kind of dressing would be fabulous on it. If you don't believe me, stick around. Let's go to the Salad Chronicles where I'm going to make the peach and strawberry salad, and you'll see. There you have it.